The journey to fitness doesn't start and end in the gym. It begins with what you choose to eat before and after exercising. Proper nutrition is essential for maximizing performance and recovery. Imagine the difference between feeling energized and sluggish while working out, all because of your pre-exercise meal. Before hitting the gym, opting for a snack rich in carbohydrates can provide you with that much-needed energy boost. Foods like a banana, oatmeal, or a whole grain toast topped with nut butter offer quick digesting carbohydrates. These foods act like rocket fuel for your workout, preventing fatigue while supplying your body with the energy needed for the tasks ahead. Incorporating a small amount of protein with your pre-workout snack enhances muscle maintenance. Think of Greek yogurt or a small smoothie. These options not only help in preparing your body for the demands of exercise, but also keep you satisfied without feeling overly full. Now, let's transition to post-exercise nutrition. Your muscles have worked hard. They are like sponges ready to soak up nutrients. Consuming a meal rich in protein and carbohydrates within 30 minutes of finishing your workout plays a crucial role in muscle recovery. Picture a colorful plate of grilled chicken breast, sweet potatoes, and a side of steamed broccoli. Protein is a key player in repairing muscle fibers and promoting growth. Whey, protein shakes, eggs, or legumes can all be marvelous options for replenishing what your body has burned. Coupled with carbohydrates, such as whole grains and fruits, your body swiftly replaces depleted glycogen stores. Don't forget to hydrate. Water is your best friend before and after exercise. It's like a refreshing river washing away fatigue and replenishing your body. Consider also electrolyte-rich drinks if you've engaged in intense workouts, as they replace lost minerals and enhance recovery. Ultimately, the right combination of snacks before and after exercise fuels your body, enhances performance, and aids recovery. Transform your workout routine with these simple dietary adjustments, and watch as your energy levels rise for an invigorating workout experience. Your body deserves the best fuel to thrive, so curate your meals wisely.